हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चैप्टर को मैंने 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया आप लोगों के लिए। पार्ट 1 में इलेक्ट्रिक करंट, पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस एंड ओम्स लॉ। पार्ट 2 में जो आज लेके आया हूं आपके लिए, रेजिस्टर्स इन सीरीज, रेजिस्टर्स कनेक्टेड इन पैरेलल एंड हीटिंग इफेक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट। एंड रिमेनिंग चैप्टर असाइनमेंट प्लस न्यूमेरिकल्स, या आपके कोई डाउट है जो आप मुझे व्हाट्सएप पर भेज सकते हो। मैं व्हाट्सएप के लिए आपको कोड बताऊंगा, कोड बता करके आप मुझे क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हो। वो सारे पार्ट हम 3 में ले लेंगे, ठीक है। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का। रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ अ सिस्टम ऑफ रेजिस्टर्स। नाउ रेजिस्टर्स may be connected in two ways. First is in series combination, second is in parallel combination. तो हम इन सीरीज से स्टार्ट करते हैं। So what do we mean by saying that resistors are connected in series? When we have two or more than two resistors, suppose we have R1, R2 and R3, three resistors are there, and when resistors are joined end to end means when resistor 1 ends, another start, they are joined end to end, one after the other, they are said to be connected in series. And while they are connected in series, मैंने आपके लिए एक सिंपल बेसिक सर्किट डिजाइन किया है। We have three resistors R1, R2, R3 connected with wire, key and a battery. Longer bar represent positive terminal of the battery. The current flows from positive terminal to the negative terminal of the battery like this. So we have three resistors, they are connected in series. While calculating the total resistance of the circuit and what is the amount of total current flowing through the system and what is the potential difference across each resistor, कौन से formulas हैं या न्यूमेरिकल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से कौन से मैथमेटिकल इक्वेशंस यूज कर रहे हैं, वो मैं आपको इस वीडियो में सिखा देता हूं। सो सीखने के लिए, कैलकुलेट करने के लिए, वी नो दैट इलेक्ट्रिक करंट इज मेजर्ड बाय एमीटर. वी विल फिक्स द एमीटर एट डिफरेंट पोजीशंस. सपोज वी फिक्स एमीटर एट दिस पोजीशन, एमीटर 1. Now we will remove from here, put the ammeter in second position. Then we will put the ammeter in third position. In all the positions, you will notice that total current is same at any point of the circuit. So the conclusion is I, which is electric current, remains constant throughout. Secondly, अभी यहाँ से रिमूव कर लेते हैं और एक एमीटर एक प्लेस पे फिक्स कर देते हैं. एमीटर इज कनेक्टेड इन सीरीज एज वी हैव स्टडीड इन लास्ट क्लास. नाउ टुवर्ड द पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल ऑफ द बैटरी is the positive terminal of ammeter and toward the negative it is negative terminal. Now secondly, we will fix a voltmeter to measure the potential difference of the first resistor V1. Then we will fix another voltmeter to check the potential difference across second resistor, and we will fix third voltmeter to check the potential difference across the third resistor. We will notice that reading in all three voltmeters is different. Now we will put a fourth voltmeter to check the total potential difference across all the three, across the system. Now we will notice that total potential difference across the system is equal to sum total of individual potential differences across each resistor. Now by using Ohm's law, Ohm's law क्या है आपको मालूम है? बताओ क्या है Ohm's law? Ohm's law is electric current is directly proportional to the potential difference. And what is the mathematical derivation of potential difference or Ohm's law? V upon I is equal to R. So V upon I is equal to R. हम यहाँ फॉर्मूला में पुट कर लेते हैं और देखते हैं क्या ऑब्टेन होगा हमें. Now this is total current, this is total potential difference. Now total potential difference, so V is equal to IR. Total potential difference is equal to total current into total resistance. So what is V1? V1 is equal to I1 R1, but I is constant, so I1 I2 I3 कुछ है नहीं. So this is I R1 plus V2 is I R2, V3 is I R3. So we get I into R, total I, total R. I is common between them. We have R1 plus R2 plus R3. I will get cancelled from both the sides, and we will get the third formula, that is total resistance in series combination is equal to sum total of resistance of each resistor. So these three formulas will be used to calculate the numerical value of current, potential difference and resistance across each resistor. Now I will explain it with the help of example. So in this circuit, assume that R1 is of 5 ohm resistance, R2 10 ohm and R3 is 15 ohm. We have three resistors of 5 ohm, 10 ohm and 15 ohm respectively. They are connected in series with a 12 volt battery, and we have to find the total resistance in the circuit, total current flowing through the resistor, through the circuit, and potential difference V1, V2 and V3 across each resistor. So let us start. According to the rule, I have told you that total resistance in the circuit is sum total of resistances of each resistor. So total resistance in the circuit in series is 5 ohm plus 10 ohm plus 15 ohm. The total becomes 30 ohm. So the total resistance of series circuit is 30 ohm. And part 2, what is the total current? We know that according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR and I is equal to V upon R. So total current flowing through the circuit is V upon R. What is total potential difference? 12 volt. And what is total resistance of all these three circuits? Is 30 ohm. So it will become 3 tens are 3 fours are 0.4 ampere is the total current. So 0.4 ampere is the current in the total circuit. So 0.4 ampere current will flow through this resistor, 0.4 through this resistor, 0.4 ampere current through this resistor. Why? Why it is so? Because in series combination, total current remains same throughout. Now we will calculate potential difference across each resistor. We know by Ohm's law, V upon I is equal to R and V is equal to IR. We will use this formula to find out potential difference. Now potential difference across first resistor V1 is IR1, I1 R1, I remains same, तो इसका कंसिडरेशन लेंगे R1 हो जाएगा. IR1, I is same for all the resistors, 0.4 into R1 is 5 ohm, so it will become 2 volt. Potential difference across the second resistor is IR2, that is 0.4 into 10, that will become 4 volt. And for V3, IR3 is equal to 0.4 into 15 ohm, that will become 6 volt. The total potential difference is 12 volt. So वो तीन पॉइंट की पॉइंट याद रखने हैं. I remains constant, V is equal to V1, V2, V3 जितने भी resistors हैं, and total resistance in series combination is sum total of resistance of each individual resistor. After understanding the series combination, now we will move forward toward a parallel combination. What do we mean by saying that systems of resistor is in parallel combination? Parallel combination means when two or more resistors are connected simultaneously between the 2 points. There are 2 points X and Y, and 3 resistors are not connected end to end. They are connected in parallel. The current divides from this point X into three directions and again recombines. So between the breakdown of current and reunion, there lies three resistors. So these three resistors are in parallel. So in parallel, what are the rules to calculate total resistance of the system? Total potential difference and potential difference across each resistor, and total current flowing through the circuit and current flowing through each resistor. Calculate करने के लिए rule क्या है? Now we will fix 3 voltmeter across each resistor to check the potential difference through each resistor, and we will notice that potential difference reading on each voltmeter is same. So what is the conclusion? V remains constant throughout the circuit. Secondly, we will fix 3 ammeters at different resistors to know the current flowing through them, and then we will fix a common ammeter to know the current flowing through the circuit, and we will notice that total current flowing through the circuit in this ammeter will be the sum total of current flowing through each resistor. So I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Now using Ohm's law, what is Ohm's law? V upon I is equal to R. So I is equal to V upon R. So total current is V upon R, total potential difference, and total resistance of the parallel combination I1 is V upon R1 plus I2 is V upon R2, I3 is V upon R3. So taking V common from all of them, we will get that V upon R is equal to V into 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. So we get a formula that 1 upon R V से भी कट जाएगा, 1 upon R in parallel circuit. So reciprocal of total resistance in parallel combination is sum total of reciprocals of resistance of each resistor.
Please.
We have an example to show you the system of these rules. Let we have three resistors of resistance 5 ohm, 10 ohm and 30 ohm, and they are connected in parallel according to the diagram with a 12 volt battery. Now we will calculate total resistance of the circuit, B current flowing through each resistor and current through the total circuit. So first of all, we will solving the part 1a. According to the rule, we know that total resistance of the parallel combination 1 upon Rp is sum total of reciprocal of each resistor 1 upon 5, 1 upon 10, 1 upon 30. So this implies that we will take LCM. 30 is LCM, 5 6 are 36 plus 10 3 are 31 are. So it will become 1 upon Rp is equal to 69 and 10 by 30. So resistance in parallel combination will be reciprocal of this 30 by 10, that is 3 ohm. The total effective resistance become much lesser than any individual resistor. Now in the part B, we will try to find out the current through each resistor. Now current through the first resistor I1. What is I1? According to Ohm's law, V upon R1. V upon R1. V upon R1 is, where is V? V remains constant. So V1 is also 12. इसमें से भी potential difference 12 है, इसमें भी potential difference 12 है, तीनों में potential difference 12 volt है. So 12 upon R1 की resistance है हमारे पास 5 ohm. So current flowing through first resistor is 2.4 ampere, sorry, and current flowing through second resistor V upon R2, that is 12 upon 10, 1.2 ampere, and the current flowing through the third resistor is V upon R3. V is 12, R3 third resistance कितनी है 30, 3 4s are 12, 0.4 एम्पियर। टोटल करंट कितना जा रहा है? 0.4 एम्पियर। Total current in the circuit, we know in parallel combination, total current is the sum total of current flowing through each resistor. So total current is I1 2.4 ampere plus 1.2 ampere plus 0.4 ampere. That will become total current is 2.4 plus 1.2 3.6. ये हो जाएगा आपका 4 एम्पियर। 4 एम्पियर इज द टोटल करंट। इस तरीके से तीनों रूल्स ध्यान में रख के हम पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। नाउ वी विल अंडरस्टैंड द लास्ट टॉपिक ऑफ द चैप्टर, दैट इज जूल्स लॉ ऑफ हीटिंग, कम्स अंडर हीटिंग इफेक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट। सो व्हाट इज जूल्स लॉ ऑफ हीटिंग? दिस लॉ स्टेट्स दैट द हीट प्रोड्यूस्ड इन अ रेजिस्टर व्हेन करंट passes through it is directly proportional to square of current through it and resistance of the resistor, and third, it is directly proportional to time taken. So heat is directly proportional to I square, directly proportional to R, and directly proportional to time taken. By combining all these three, we can get that H is equal to I square RT. This is the formula to calculate the amount of heat. And what is the SI unit of heat? SI unit of heat, because heat is a form of energy, SI unit is joule, represented by symbol J. So students, according to the Ohm's law, what is Ohm's law? V is equal to IR, or V upon I is equal to R. हम इसको यूज करेंगे। सपोज क्वेश्चन में I और R दोनों गिवन है तो हम डायरेक्टली फॉर्मूला लगा सकते हैं। सपोज I या R में से कोई एक चीज मिसिंग है और उसकी जगह पर पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस V गिवन है, तब कैसे सॉल्व करना है? हम फॉर्मूला चेंज करके देख लेते हैं। I square RT, if R is not given, so R को रिप्लेस करके क्या हो जाए? What is R? V upon I. Suppose V upon I, तो I square into V upon I into T, एक I से I कट जाएगा और हमारे पास फॉर्मूला क्या आ जाएगा? IVT और VIT. So we can use the formula in another way. VIT, both are same according to the given data. Suppose I is not given, तो I को रिप्लेस कैसे करेंगे? I is equal to, I इधर आ जाएगा V upon R, I is equal to V upon R, तो I को सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देंगे V upon R से। So H is equal to I square RT. I square is substituted by V upon R. I square is V square upon R square into R into T. एक R कट जाएगा, फॉर्मूला क्या बनेगा? V square upon R into T. So we will get the third formula. Meaning is same. V square upon R into T. So according to the given data, हम क्वेश्चन में इन तीनों में से कोई भी फॉर्मूला लगा सकते हैं। एक आखिरी फॉर्मूला और है, इसके साथ हम चैप्टर क्लोज करेंगे। इलेक्ट्रिक पावर। सो पावर का फॉर्मूला कैलकुलेट करने के लिए 9th क्लास में हमने एक टॉपिक किया था। व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय पावर? पावर ऑफ एन अप्लायंस इज वर्क डन अपॉन टाइम टेकन। एबिलिटी टू डू सम वर्क इज नोन एज पावर ऑफ द अप्लायंस। सो E is equal to, now according to the electricity chapter of class 10, वर्क डन कहाँ पे यूज हुआ है? वर्क डन यूज हुआ है पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस में। सो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस का क्या फॉर्मूला था? पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इज इक्वल टू वर्क डन टू मूव अ चार्ज फ्रॉम वन पॉइंट टू अनदर इन अ करंट कैरिंग कंडक्टर। सो W is equal to V into Q. We put work done with V into Q and time is T. Now students, what is Q by T? Remember, flow of charge per unit time is electric current, na? So it will be replaced by I. So P is equal to V into I. अब इसको चेंज करेंगे फॉर्मूला को। ये तो फॉर्मूला है पावर कैलकुलेट करने का, एंड ऐसा यूनिट ऑफ पावर इज वॉट। सपोज क्वेश्चन में V और I गिवन है, R नहीं है तो डायरेक्टली फॉर्मूला लगेगा। अगर R गिवन है, इन दोनों में से कुछ एक चीज नहीं है, तो फॉर्मूला कैसे चेंज हो जाएगा? जैसे हमने जूल्स लॉ ऑफ हीटिंग में किया था। जूल्स लॉ ऑफ हीटिंग में क्या था? हीट इज इक्वल टू I square RT and second V square upon RT or VIT according to the given data. Similarly यहाँ पर हो जाएगा power is equal to VI. If V is not given, it will be replaced by I square R, and if I is not given, it will be replaced by V square upon R. So all these formulas are same of the power. एक बार हम सारे फॉर्मूलाज का रिकैप कर लेते हैं जो जो चैप्टर में यूज हुए हैं, फिर हम चैप्टर क्लोज करेंगे और नेक्स्ट पार्ट में असाइनमेंट और सारे न्यूमेरिकल, कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूमेरिकल्स के थ्रू मैं आपको सारी चीजें दोबारा से रिकैप करा दूंगा। फॉर्मूलाज क्या क्या है हमारे पास? इलेक्ट्रिक करंट, व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रिक करंट? फ्लो ऑफ चार्ज पर यूनिट टाइम, एसआई यूनिट इज एम्पियर। आप एग्जाम में भी इससे पहले प्रैक्टिस इसी तरीके से कर सकते हैं। सेकंड फॉर्मूला, सेकंड कंसेप्ट इज पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस। नाउ पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इज वर्क डन टू मूव अ चार्ज फ्रॉम वन पॉइंट टू अनदर इन अ करंट कैरी कंडक्टर। इसे डेफिनेशन भी हो जाएगी और आपका फॉर्मूला भी हो जाएगा। एसआई यूनिट इज वोल्ट। थर्ड इज रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस एंड इलेक्ट्रिक करंट। V upon I is equal to R to calculate resistance, and SI unit of resistance is ohm. Now the factors on which resistance depend brings this formula to us. R is equal to rho resistivity into length upon area. Next is heat. Heat is equal to I square RT or V square upon RT or I square R. Similarly for power we have formula I square R VI और कौन सा बचा? V square upon R। ठीक है, ये थ्री फॉर्मूलाज के साथ हम बाकी न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करेंगे। हीट का ऐसा यूनिट है जूल और पावर का ऐसा यूनिट है वॉट। सो थैंक यू सो मच स्टूडेंट्स फॉर वाचिंग। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में असाइनमेंट, न्यूमेरिकल्स या आपके कोई डाउट है आप मुझे व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हैं, मैं वो सब सॉल्व करूंगा और ऐसी वीडियो आपको बनाता रहूंगा। पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू ऑल।